Sam, me na wo so kakra ne enhwe.
Kumawu TV ya die mu.
Ye das. Me Kumawu so na we na. What Kumawu TV nka?
Ipa chan mate. Na station ho ye kama pa. Eh.
E de ben na wo hu
o. African movies, mismani je ho pa. Fi se ugodu fie kwa na ne dwuma bi adi na woni a. Utimi hwa na chese o de afema da kwa na aja ho ato wadwendwen so kakra ma.
Okay.
Kumawu TV die o so obi a hwe ho.
Na advert bi awoso what ne nka na?
Mate ne nka. O so obi a de ne ho kodwo Kumawu TV.
Ade nyina mu aseda na ye de matwe dem pina popon. Ene eye eda ya ware 11th day in the month of June 2020. Twedian Kwadaroma o de ache said ye Joshua bompaye na osun ye sumne man for so many years no. Sa na ye so ye sum o man Ghana to akoma pem ene ahombrase e kwa so. Ye mo akwaba embrase ni so on Kumawu TV channel. Say we are streaming live on Facebook, Kumawu TV, YouTube, Samdakus TV, and Afi. So no, obetimi so actually on your multi TV decoder, Kumawu TV. That's why we are now to me editing. Kumawu issues not that doxon. COVID-19, the novel coronavirus, Ariano, if you swear, ha, amansan na eat them. Ewo ibiase eno man Ghana na nedie kwa say ya dey nsemu anisa enso ni so akra wo say wo follow the various protocols no a ene ma betimi aboa ama ere no ano abrasa akra ibenya mre na no edi ho nkomo ene sanso na NPP primaries ho nkomo e wo fie ha ibedi pa enne dwaben yese na nya agro no mata nkonwa na da sebe otuo sebo tenase enipa nkobo dua e wo dwaben NPP din chiniba miensani na edo medina yefia na nyago imiama akoma kudumienu ensational pakotoa 24 na yaje enipa miensa omo egudua ewudwaben de ema NPP ni a omo se ya disqualify no. At the Supreme Court so the security was tight na Supreme Court passed on the Electoral Commission and was sensem the Supreme Court ashe and they say na ho binia say some Electoral Commission they got down in the ba ko ne say omo Electoral Commission kwano new voter register no. Supreme Court declared as unconstitutional, and again the use of the voter ID card old one now my school no so no and also no Supreme Court enche na omo emfa enka na omo chemre no emfa nchire omo ni NDC court no omo lawyer e dey animu the first one no charge no the coin no every mu ameni akaba ko no the exclusion of the old voter ID card, you know. And I mean, on the 23rd of this month, no, Supreme Court Betrancy. Now, what you hear, Edihon, Encomo, Ebuatan, say, you see no coso, and you sue any card, no, and a passport, no, and I say, on for the old register, no, and a card, no, Emeka. Even younger, no, yet to me, so Edihon, Encomo. His Excellency, the former President, Enra, or Dincomo. At the 28th anniversary of the NDC, and I Ghana Benega, John Mahama, I can say about 2 years ago. Yet, Nase Ghana, Yamea Dom, Dia Passum, Dimudia, only problem. Nemo said Yan Shedemy, na Yenemidia, and Sam Fata, na election and credible there, NDC for Omontias, then way court, and no small call, it will fee 100 Ibinya kwan na yet to me the channel song say WhatsApp message you order back on 0543-596-070 on your screen. Now message you WhatsApp message na so e dia back na and before amanyofo no do no abetena se no one-on-one with Chairman Fifi Mensa Bantima Florida NPP chairman and begin come up when you say Bantima Zamelebre the Ghana's we can say ubia so you mami free man opare free wa ebo na no na damba kufu abu deputy chief of staff Mr. Asenso Wachi na papa yi ono anso kwa no political aid to the president o say ujai said mediwi ma bantima abe bantima brase bi da akonya oni Daniel Ochem Abuaji honorable ABC akan na ensam na bebere ura bantima say honorable Ochem Abuaji kwa no o check cast bi atwa mu a and the cars no and personally I listening to him at the Israel FM no cars no quality more piano do check as by 9,000 or movie within a year or the cars match over party in a partner being so and this and throwing wood chat but must sit my hot chairman or her LPP Dimuna Binamre then also yet to me at the home and meeting edit say Mike ye twa hom rase sia ba chairman Fifi Mensa Bantama LPP chairman then be shase ya twa
TV there me phone in Niagara.
Oh, fine. That's a pine. You heard him so be mo nwa no mu nyina na o get. O mu nyina e ma na hye dem nkwan yo.
Oh, there be obey answer them. I was so pia bonten.
Etukumawu TV. Ye die. Eh, ye hu se wo baba sani ha betobis pa. Na ma me watukumawu denka.
Matenenka.
Die be na uhu ho.
Okay, Matenenka na menhwe na afie na se me be se mehwe pa.
Sa na ma me the program bi aba awoso shake body waste no. On sisi yare na se abeba ni nyina no. Program ne betu sa yare ni nyina. Na uhu ni so be ma ba bi aba na.
Me yakwa me amaye bi.
Sa me na wo so kakra ne enhwe.
Kumawu TV ya die mu.
Ye das ma me Kumawu so na we na what Kumawu TV nka.
Ipa chan mate na station ho ye kama pa eh
de be na ohu
oh African movies mismani je ho pa fi se ugodu fie ko na ne dwuma bi edi na woni ya utimi hwa na che se o de afema da ko na aja ho ato wadwenwe so kakra ma
okay
Kumawu TV de o so obi a hwe ho
na advert bi awoso what ne nka na
mate ne nka o so obi a de ne ho kodwo Kumawu TV utimi usubi na ato ho asano kakra
ye das pa
mi show mi TV na ho na me de to Ghanaian films no mu yi ni nti Kumawu TV ya ne ya die nie
na apa na wo hu awoso advert na abaso na no so de na wo kafa ho
ekwayi pa Kumawu didi asama nso kra me baketo no wo so ya no wo de ato ho ti ye de edura nwumre no a ne ye hwe
ye das pa
Kumawu kra me hwe Mesi muti me ye fom sa me ne menye ho ne ye hwe fom se me hwa na emom de ya na ye me ya de se ye mo ma ne nwa ne ye hwa because me hwe na nopa awia me tifia me hwe anwumre me hwe eti no me de fom sa ne de Ghana fom sa de me hwe papa kan ne ye fe de say Jollof Razimi. Every line. Yeah, Kumawu de yani ya de mo. Enu a ne ye de yifo de ne ye hwe. Enu a be ho ya kwa anwumra, ho ne ye do to. Eti fum so de mo nya de mo yiyi ne mo ma ne mo fa maye saa, no na mo fa maye. Da de say am nto mo ma no nkofom. Na de mo yi ne mu no latest mo fa maye na no na ye hwe ye be say e be hwe yifo de no first say yifo de no ye be say be hwe no. Eti ye sra mo hwe ma na mo na say de ma ye nti hwe ya na ya dwendwa be ye first salad for mo ji esika nyina. Ana say ama ye nti hwe so mo ka tira na do say obviously kama ye first salad obviously kama na say God ye hwe ti hwe fom so na aja ati ya dwendwa so kakra eti mo ma no e follow ye
ye das pa
ya ba amansanie ya ne aye die mo Kumawu TV amansanie ya ne aye die mo Kumawu TV papa
Kumawu TV na ade mani di unsa Ghana movie mo yiri saade ababere wa menye ko dufie na me bo nsuo na menye didi
right yensan ema efa kwaba famra Sinopi on Kumawu TV yedi enkomo ye hwe Bantama NPP chairman Fifi Mensa Bantama NPP chairman Florida Efia chairman makwa ba Sinopi
Ejo so say mai
boko de
I don't know more fiber
good let me say ye fiber na ma pa because we fresh more
say mai ke nyame nyame ada Romania bi
amomo pa so ka mo
say
amomo pa ka mo good governance
no dey say mai ya say mai ka mo say tro for someone money you know say Ghana from my home crowd and papa o say Bible say papa ni be man so man see opinion say the papa be different the country is flourish
But so why first you move just say city be 4 years. Salam change be am.
It's my chama. Nyamia. Na de nyamia yes. Na dos.
Right. Ta what is saying?
Bantama bobo.
Bibi akoso kama.
Bibi akoso.
So far, nyamia don on the 20th. Prime Minister Bantama ebe so.
Say my Nyankopon de na dom yen. Na wa ma me fa ni wiase. Na say 20th of June ebe pie. And apart from 7 to 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Bantama constituency ebe primaries.
When you know Bantama, is there anything saying so far?
And the Munya Moni Masem, the incumbent MP, Honorable Daniel Ochama Boade, and Yura Francis Asenso Bachi, a deputy chief of staff, a personal assistant to president. Only Nuna, you see, your Munya Nabantama, Beswaso, Abato. I do my summer about to see any to any food. I heard it. Abubuwan aduma 20th and where we are being no million no me and some na de Bantama for decide say only money for the next 4 years.
So far delegates near saying I'm more special about one abona bana
Bantama constituency delegates are over 612.
Okay.
Na ebinum enya omobe say ebinum akwa omokrechi ebinum so atutu kwai kakra akwa no ne anti no tibia na ti yehwema titi bifirima anya hwe nim say a number hovering nipa yehwe nim say abeto aba no anya hwe na around 580 exactly.
Wow. And most of it 7 to 1 p.m. Meet me at where
modalities I did to aba no afi no there to no electoral area basis. Electoral area almost super with the coordinator A71. And this electoral area no has coordinator over na some 71. That's all over 5 hours. Senipa 71 in front to aba. If it's a no pride also be ready. Yeah.
How many electoral areas in our Bantama?
Presently or 10 electoral areas.
10.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Now let's come to Omo contestant. Honorable Dan Chambachi, the first time
Exactly.
as a chairman, over assessing
My question is the mood. Assistance, well, Parliament. He represented Bantama. Well, Onoye spokesperson for Parliament on finance, and I think finance spokesperson. And I was a member of the transport committee. And he, as an MP, he has represented the constituency well. That is what I can say. Yeah.
The statement be okay. I said, what is that statement?
Matipa.
As a chairman, who is a certain Yaman Bantam. Buffalo.
So, Mike, no correct, no correct. Bantam, when Yaman from Kakra, say. A few years ago, now the name Bantama brings shovels down the spine of our opponents. A few years ago, yeah, Bantama will be Bantama say, over your politics. Ankasa Ura, one of those who know Bantama, now toast. A few years ago, now I'm ranting mobile Bantama. Be one now Pinuma schools I can see any the other Bantama for. But trend ka krani aneba I fancy 3 febm 9 ni no hu say kofo enti MP I that observation and correct anti many monyam aba from ka
You first of all more the leadership of the party and
but you can't blame the leadership of the party and the entire thing first of all more any say Bantama the voter population of Bantama about 80,000. The party leadership, we are leadership of the new patriotic party, which is a sect in Bantama. But we cannot sit here and get ourselves say, Bantama you put dubia jino why you have any pound come our mayor MP before. baako no kora na ɛsɛ ma obenya half abɛka MPP nti Bantama yɛ predominantly MPP nti no sɛ MPP aban ba power dia ɛwɔ sɛ Bantama nya ne stake because MPP aban ba power dia ɛwɔ sɛ Bantama di ne san Peter MPP aban ba power ɛwɔ sɛ Bantama nya yedie nti be chairman if you mean as a party and be executives adwumaden pa say be change the fortunes of the constituency nti o de you support boy anyi ye ba be bia na nyam ni tete kon nyina all hands on deck the homogin na adwumaden te say be pija Bantama and the see simply papa first.
Do you foresee, sir, everybody nearby Bantama no nyano betumi asa peja? Say if there is a change in leadership of Bantama.
It's very possible. I know the Obi can. It's very, very possible. I mean, say, anyone from name can before no be any more so. Let me say, my brother, I said, why would be any more wait now so they ban? I know Brahma said, Dominion have a tower to me a quack. And we now Fabric constituency. It's very possible. Yeah.
For Yesinupi on Kumeu TV. Channel on Facebook, we are live on Kumeu TV and on YouTube, Samdabus TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comments, just drop them. If you are near kind Eddie Ama Bantama constituency, constituency chairman Fifi Mensa, and 18 Kumo. Becca, Brigadier Tremudia, now Yabo Bantama, near the Florida, and Akam. We know so quite a few are. Say Black Stars say bobo na victory bia party ba kopɛ Bantama ba bia jubilation ni die pa e wo pa no Bantama ele say anunya no aba form pa well eno ho komo ni eti komo on NPP so ma me samra wo subi honorable Asenso Boakye utiatia so be NPP ni bi ma ka oro Asenso de deputy chief of staff, special assistant to the president. And then now free Bantama no nya position kakakase. Na on tena ho. Emma obi nso ni MP. Nanka enmunyam na ayera no, ensan pagya no. Na osan ba form ha ba bepe MP position, the no ja position kakakai ho. Na as a chairman no nya worried about this development area of Bantama.
Sasa no metia no kunya ya menwene no sene o kan no. Yesu Kristo no te dane sene fa so. Nipa ye nipa homo brunti. Osani Fredani sene fa so ba na be fa nipa tebra ni etina. Eba ba be wuje ye nkwa ansa no wasan kwa akotena dane sene fa so. Sawati ase. Politics na ye no. Obi a won democratic right. Say o decide say semrani ntiano dia o sa pana timiba ebe pere empia konya nyobi ade hifia konya etwa abusuafo no epre na de esi ahenefo ne etwa ahenefo beka say wona epese okugina ye ni wa kwa okugina ye ni ai zema ko kai atro kunkun no Bible say na panyi bi tukwan na no won kwa bi wonase na o ma obi a talent no go ho man 10 talents o ma obi 5 na o ma obi 1 na o ko ye no na o ba ye no de the 10 talents no de man no de ye adwuma double no bona baso yo de 5 no so man ye adwuma double no so o bona baso na de o de 1 man me ka tenze master de chimu de to akotu to form the talent na shebo o ba ye o se jo talent the master no je talent 1 no sign the man de no what 10 no the kan no e do ka je say wo ye oguta 1 no onye grateful nti emfa ngo chef yas jo ka ko wie say one you near me here even the little you have shall be taken from you and given to the one with more nti media asem na ye kan no enye se ba bi oti e na olo wa no e na osi e na David what you also you can say one you are Asenso Boakye just like me, just like the Rochema Boakye, and just like any Bantama constituency delegate, I will qualify, say, the nominations, I will fund, and I'll contest, you know. Which me, I contest. ne position a odi e president nkyɛn ɛyɛ ɔno ane soma wasom party ni ɛni da bi obi kan ne connections bi a ɔwɔ ɛna ama ne odi saa position no na bibi asom kyerɛ sɛ odi MP a ntimi nsom president sɛ ne ɔsom no emre bia ni we kyerɛ sɛ obi MP a ntimi nyɛ sɛ bi personal assistant to president sɛ what you say and now obi MP a ntimi the president has the sole right to decide to name whoever he wants to name and give him the position that fits him according to no president in everyone. Send your person in everyone, and whom of it, no abudi bramo. What you say? And the president feels okay, so MP will be person boss a brown mania. Wait me after one bone the break, no dear. And yes, CB no was every president in China. Now apart from there, if we send the Mukra Nebe Lucas, say case say. Esi ahenfo ni etu ahenfo kase yewura asenfo koye MP if you say the talent ni bi kwa na aka the talent ho say enye kese na oma bantima mu nye drumo e ba to aja enti enye sa asem no mete a ya na sa na me hu no say enye say o sie free baby o te ana se bi sa
na olaroma obeye the chief of staff aboa bantima for as a chairman bi na kasa at least NPP mu no watimi dia aboa nkrofo bi obantima so mo ye NPP for so mo ye bantima for ama aso party ni obantima
so my good as bebre you were so be deputy chief of staff metimi aka se bantima bakose mu no ye obi a watimi aboa bantima constituency so
wow
yeah and they be as a constituency chairman there we share na be ka chairman pay asema me na me ka chairman say Janasi, then I dream. Because my Kenyam may become. So I say, I am meeting the Bilia, but I say, memory was chairman, and away is see. And run till you myself. I remember when you myself institutions all bantama. So, a 1 year bois, schools, see. Say, and my Cassia, and I can hear full program. Wow, yeah. Nti on that
enuma honorable ascension board
so wani na so ka kire yura no adwene ne bantima in fact ono e bantima ni hona yawo no tete no ne papa firi ho aja se e ma me firi nja to akwan ni so ba ni funuma e hye bantima hono ni ye ko no school start yansa no because secondary school and the bantima no ni nti ono de he is born and bred in Bantima. That is why he's umbilical cord is. But the intino or the back the Biana Yadeba Bantima de year any eras and so we make sure say but we ever Bantima. Yeah.
Right, obviously for many chairman Fifi Mesa Bantima and chairman and a 18 Como. I was sitting on a very honorable than Chairman Agwaji Fata and a member of parliament. The first time and we know if you are Deputy Chief of Staff, Honorable Asenso Wachi, and so Eba Bantima. The whole day bar democracy, Chim University, said the Chairman modern bar, Asenso Bo, Nanka or Chairman of Bonina with Bob Bantima, but our sister, no, also very talented about the can't do one. Now it's me and morning you true. And I don't come then you are doing channel on 0543 596 070. One from Russia and I am can right. I'm Samrat.
The ballot is their secret. It's a one.
But I want the auntie to be a
the minimum is in the menu. You are so much you are channel. We are kind of delegates no share. Almost so we did all the delegates. No credit man can bank, but 2 years signing for. We did this from home when I mean him said, I'm going to make it the right choice at the constituency never funny. Jemu Yankopon adoma on the 20th day damemenda say nyina chinkoma ewia mo 3 o'clock na the delegates ne kan central for the music movement na mati na mana yewia se nyina so ni
one issue that say about that bad my petitioner himself we receive from some electoral area chairman when you answer petition
petitions dey minya bebre nti also yes specific
e
bibi saba kana ho nkomo bi aba beto meni
But so now petition. Those electoral elections, number some people say passing on camera. Who can not say?
Yo, semi brothers will. Maybe I was saying, Konami next year. I'm a constituency assistant secretary. That was in 2015. Yeah, the primary school. Now, in the course of primary school, that time, not Euro Chama Baji, one of the candidates. No Euro Okufu, and requirement Okufu, lawyer, doctor, and a normal brain. Now, Euro Chama Baji, that electoral area is 10 to present Mazda Demi Saloon cars 10.
Okay.
And in my electoral areas, I think that what I remember that was a part of a petition, but I also remember it said there was a catchphrase. The catchphrase said Gauta Ghana.
And I was saying
this was in the house of any moment. Mchra more of the man is out there, Mitchell said. And he said, they don't person Mchra and he said, to mommy,
okay.
Yeah.
That time,
okay. That was what was happening. But let me also say categorically, say, you're our chairman, what it is our neighbor. I'm fat the party executives. Now, me one of them.
I'm fat executives, no so bad.
Campaign drew up. We are on the style of the end campaign. We run in the name of neighbor, and at that time, on only approach or yes, or they finally say he went straight to the electoral areas to give them that achediano. Until the coordinator and the delegates and what this achediano a come until executive body no, and I'm the assistant secretary to know. Now one only control the arm. Okay. Sarcasm. Now, fast forward in year 12 anyway, and then it happened, say it was on a higher purchase agreement. 12 anyway, your electoral areas, and on me that high purchase agreement.
But electoral areas, no, now we are going to
yes,
electoral areas, no, only share massive.
Never. Send your make at the time, no way presentation. There was a constituency chairman, there were executives, now we come home. Inti at the end by and will be a chairman in the we my electoral area. But what I say, now I have witnesses, but it was direct dealing with the electoral areas and the coordinators. Inti is a casaba, but me new information here. Till later, you who says a high purchase, I mean, work and pay agreement. Inti, now saying that it's to a constituency, you know, yes, or your Pia Academy. I said, you now will start your Okan. Maybe say, Okan, say, one Casawan and on most stations in the Ayura. Whichever one is what the cast not check, electoral areas. Their complaint now is so they are woman they are Fankrat animal. That is their complaint. In the petition on the buy better many, or much as say, Carlo, Caso Muntiaka, a binumeting canary. Was it the minimum contact? And I'm going to say, maybe as executive near you more. And to buy more fast with the Juma, I am fast with piano, and the executive be better to say, or sign internal over. They won't be meaning to say, or more petition over the bread any day. Almost 80 won't say, electoral areas may be a Timiatica and a carry. It be no to me. They won't papa na can so the car na che obia so they are tell so there any enkrata no e da fo wo be change the phone na fa enkrata na eri e mai na ye hu say what they are tell petition mo da betum the one receive petition na then am to be to afa in fact say man say me woni no aka na wotwe na e boto aba there is a lot of it employer any campaign coupled with parliament eduma many people from Bedroom. Yes, I can petition and back. Jenny and Rainy paying for Bedroom. Now, I extend an invitation to him because somebody I'm training say, Yenny paying for fee. In the now, I'm be able to have a moment, Saka. omo nkrata nti ya ba ye wo se nti o se fere mpinye na meka ye hwe kwan we fa so no so na roma assembly o ne we ha kana asubia
will it be done before prime minister as of prime minister
minti me assure say be before and say be after dem dey minti me aka say be too one
Nanaji Edifi Sunyane Osisama, please ask chairman for me which of the candidates does he think he can help Bantima very well? Nanaji Sunyane.
A very, very straight and direct question. As a person, as a chairman of the constituency, I have to say, and even from a lot of who be presently there, Nipa Mekase Nimua, a very strong government to achieve
Asensubachi. Nimua very strong.
Very strong.
Presently, making part of Bantima.
Excellently. The decision of the delegates to decide who becomes the MP. Who beside me say, Naina, a Bantima. And I'm saying chief assessor.
Sending the local bank Makasenanka, who's
and the enemy decision.
Chairman Fee, the youngest chairman, has indeed made good submission. God bless him for wishing Bantima constituency well. Greetings to the incoming Bantima NP, Asenso Wachi. Okay, Kenford, and then we are back. When you say, good evening, Sir Mike, I'm enjoying the show. Please tell chairman that he's a man, he should be bold to say, even Sir John declared his stand for Akufo-Addo. Why can't he declare his stand and make Bantima popular again? Romeo, and so they are Abba and no. Right, when we are managing now, if you have few calls, 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Your name, Chairman Fee, Bantima constituency chairman, and I don't know if this was Yeti and Komo. I didn't tell the Fabra. Was it Rabbi? Good evening. Please kindly tell chairman he should talk to his people to allow Wachama Bwadi to go for the last step, whilst Asenso also stays at where he is.
It's a chairman for me, saying for better. Maybe one vote. Okay. So what I say. The majority, their Bantima forum will make the decision as to who leads Bantima comes 2021.
Ojama bia omara to move to me afre na yet me apeko wa ha just 5 minutes in the day for few course ye din komo e wo Bantima constituency ho e na ye preparation so far Bantima constituency well Roda also there dey aba was say I'm Roda, a student. In fact, my father has benefited from Honorable Asenso Wachi so much. Tell chairman we admire him. Okay, I don't know if you know Roda. Okay. Was it good evening? Please, why is Asenso doing this to Wachama Bwachi? He should allow Wachem to go for the second term. Okay. And stop that. But I admire the chairman so much. Hey, why are you guys admire my chairman like that? Okay. 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Wait me after Navi Yafao. You didn't come up. I will Bantima constituency. Come and beat me after. Right, chairman, you're trained. I am afraid for him. Bantima constituency. Set now, right? I'm coming. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
What was it about free?
I'm from Mekase Free Bantima.
Okay, Rosa, you
yeah, Bantima delegate na yeka akacho mo, say siro mo. Honorable Chief Asenso Bwachi. Ono na ehia no constituency nim. Ye hwem puntuo development. Any youth no can call the abana. There's no reason to let it down. Youth no. We are poised. Say so you know more the chief ever. In the Kakam I can only our term there on for development via me youth no. The winning party or make our constituency nim.
Right. So right. Also makes me have the question by I say the truth must be told. Ask chairman, has he received complaint that one of his MPP guys were beaten by the MP? Chairman, who receives a complaint? Oh. Right.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you free until?
I'm Mr. Free Bantama 20.
Okay. How are you?
Hello. Good evening.
Yes, you are Kasa.
I'm about to from Douglas, make a free Bantama constituency. Never show Kakra, Miss Mitima can say, you are Wachima Bwaji or born home in far, and she has said the sponsor almost soon to our man.
Alright, Douglas, yes, someone know is a question.
Mrs. Shumo has been addressed.
Or Bonanas one address what
we got your address. Now, exchange is a kind of the mass address, your tremor, the entire way.
What can you say?
So, my address, now some of the address is
what will say now? And Motras and that.
When I'm no one be meaning say, and send me also. I say, we are to you isn't on an account for pioneer and it has been addressed as soon as we have okay.
Right, I must be Snoopy, so I was a good evening. I'm not a delegate at Bantima. I vote at Menshianov. But one thing I can say is that whatever Boachi must go. When you plan?
Popularity is relative. As I said, it has to be a popular relative. It's based on how you want to see popularity. Some said you go over a criminal, and this is so, and so offense. Charge us. We saw away papa, and so be any no. I don't know, we use it as a popular. A relative. It is based on how you want to see it.
130 projects, and I don't know what you say. Programs, projects, and other means. Why?
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Patrick. My name is Steven. Mr. Mbesa Mekana.
Okay, so what you?
I'm Patrick Kakra. Mr. Mekana say, the current MP now Bantam there. We see uniform sukra near my back on the back. If it's a back on the modern bar or ball Bantam and Yasam Ketuakra, Mina Mekasho.
Okay.
Mabumu ane more more school for Concra near the Abbey. Our phone now born Yasam Ketuakra.
Right, so you're not see. Every phone is every no, and I agree. But Obisu de Obisa, I think any your Casa is ambitious. So is it not because of his position that is why he's making effort to help people? If you lose that position, can he help people like this?
So you say we want to constituency, meaning crowd, meaning say you are Richard and the MP and MIMPP party. In 2000, I was a minister for almost 8 years. No, a minister for roads and highways. Why any day? I cried boy. You are a mammy, a ras, another part. I also be the minister, and as currently because I am minister. Now I can even now a minister for sanitation or what and I can also hear the day. But I made a specific statement saying, near ma a sense of watching. Bantam will be that a crab baby. I should say, don't forget that. So, this is the third time of our contest. In 2008, in the contest, Emma Mrs. Celia Emma and Pennyphobia, Emma, went to me and 2011, on the era of Napo call contest, and the era of be team, and no sign call Cosumi, and I feel was Samba. Enti so because baby or tintina or bois politically no what I know for a fact is that what politics money links not to be more
only links
you need to build it. So only links are I'm a politician, you can't help nobody. So I just say enti baby a papa na so free me baby a waiting a rise up through no there can links in politics presently there and you will indeed, I don't necessarily need to be called a deputy chief of staff to be able to help Bantam. So I just say,
right. No, I agree. But then you tell me, some of the delegate, and especially I found delegate people make decision, but not and yet the representation of the entire people are maybe on the program. What do you have to tell them?
Yo, I'm some of you and me too. I have to say, my own say implementation. I'm a delegate for any delegates, especially more fun. When you also sacrifice it, it's a more question. I can't now watch back on it now. Now you're quite for your primaries, a new parliamentary candidate. Delegates are more bantam. I think say about 90% in your first time delegates. In fact, we have about 60%, about 10 time delegates. And you know only the ins and outs of Bantama. Maybe I free, maybe I be drew, maybe I per se energy. And sir, decision I ever make you. A Bantama NPP. You're that in your back decide. If you are Bantama, one of the few constituencies I am privileged. So be by NPP for a being is on a candidate. 99% surety is on the next member of parliament. It is a 580 now. You are representing over 80,000 people to choose somebody to go and represent us in parliament. Money decision at the Mumwa, Rabantima. Money decision at the Puntu, Rabantima. Money decision at the Munyam, Rabantima. Money decision at the Apple, every Bantima. I say, Tim's a 5-5. What just so am I at you?
5-5 and I said,
a good, the mammy Crawford.
A good 5-5. The youngest chairman,
and I'm a kind of the mammy Crawford.
So what you say? 5-5.
He said, Miss Omoye, you not come at here. A Tim's a 5-5. On better social my FC on Monday.
Now, never necessarily.
And then I'm saying, good
5-5, one chairman reality. On Facebook, Mario was saying, Honorable Senso is the best for Bantama. Okay, 5-5. The time I say a 2 years after a buy. Tablet fee. There be a free tablet fee. There be a fear tablet fee. Let's see, right, I was Bantama LP chairman Fifi Mesa, and no equity and Como, Bantama constituency. Watch him, said to be and watch him. I say, talents no, it will be. Bia one day, put the year Rebecca, one by your but delegates no, and also making decision, a bit to me a boy. Now, a boy Bantama for a new young. To me, a friend, I can't also speak number cancer. I'm very number 2. Tell me that's it. You know, the old president.
Mr. National President, Johnny says, another romantic and a name. It's in Yam, what the original Castagana is going to become a better place. His Excellency, the only opportunity to run China or in the EU. Mr. You rise and so watch as a question. You will tell me, Rochama, what just question. And me chief waiting me. Before we were crying, but I could send him message of your chamber. Also, I need your program no pa. Me chair Anthony Donko and Dennis. We know where delegates our multi program. Me chair delegates in a special way. I'm going to 28th. We will make that strong decision whereby we are going to shout 5-5, and it's going to be, fantastic.
Right. I was a to us, anytime if you mention Bantama, anything, it was a by to us.
Kumawu TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedi Kumawu TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedi Sini Papa Bena Upe Biasha Amansane Winnano Baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu
yititi yototoma tambone bo wasi adeba obose bole oso bale koko osemamitiane kosokoto papo midiane pike sa papa Kumasi 1 enra akra ne wuchene jo enso yedidai. Keep on watching Kumawood TV. Yeni aye diem yanso ye die nie eye pawom krim eye cake crow.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu.
Hi, my name is Safina Harum. Keep watching Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV, yeah, dear.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Yo, Osekrom is like that, and it has to be that. Uchimu TV, edito television biya no wan hwe Kumawood TV dia. Ojo wa ha Chimu to ope good entertainment. And I said ya be mo ani age a masa. Mimi tuwe behwe ba biya Kumawood TV. It's like that, and it has to be that. Pressure free chiwa. But we didn't pressure.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Yami wonina enye Yesu no dia mami. Yami wonina yana do Morocco. Sete chama da bodium. Emoja vidimu afusane. Metwa ye ijo. Ama no da Kumawood yaka stadium. Se wanhwe Kumawood anwa ha ho. Upeti papa ye Kenya miasem ye entertainment football adie biele koso wiase bia. So we Kumawood we need to be able to flow. Kumawood ya kasa yedem ya misha so we Kumawood.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Meshe meni chepa papa Kumawood TV. Ogwana na nsema ye chimato.
Na your program ya de bra friend na awoswo shake your way.
Shake your way. Enso me papa. Me ko metuno soso.
Enti oba wosu ana.
Na wosu
ma se.
Shake your way.
Kumawood TV.
Papa Papa
Kumawood TV. Na me fan to ho. Na me to one am say yes Kumawood TV. Enema ho. Isini advert kro mu yakura nya asam ketewa. Ti Kumawood TV dia o sradi kamfo. Ya die
na awosuo ne yede ba ne program awosuo ne yede ba enso odwuno
enu de pa shake your waist no aya kama pa obi afa no ho anya obi anhwe
Kumawood TV na anya asam ketuo me se yate bibi ba de shake your waist na we shake anya asam ketua no makoje me form si mama mbaje mama mi nuanum nyina age se de omusi wo sura no ya wo se anya agrakra na ya wo so ne enu akra me hye na niema na wo ho no Frims papa nko a adako lowe me kura na me hu de meye ani me film da ko me say na ma stressa etu o de ade papa ana wo ho shake your waist no awurade nyame e say de o mu si shake
right yes I Emma ahefo akwa Emfabra Silopi on Kumawood TV we ya for trans yedi komo shedding song se ro yente na ba na nyamre akenkan e de ama ene and Supreme Court across it now. The presence of the security service was very tight. The premises of the Supreme Court, and somewhere the opposition NDC at the got down Supreme Court and coming more the Electoral Commission any voter register compilation and name of here at their compile register court across the channel. Mine says there be was said NDC back because I'm first we did and said they said the issue of said court no said easy no anyone can say or more a year new voter register they was there no NDC for a year free. See the NDC for the general court panel a said dear yet to a baby a trim card no let up me some year free NDC there be or more and fact and count the court no answer on the 3rd of this month. And a ruling remember. If you remember, now you know and Sanso and the issue of say 2 of year, you will use or get to Muslim into the first signal. If John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, my President Haba, says, I yet free and fair there on into. Has there be any election in this country? I yet free and fair. And I will be, I will make this statement. And the statement no should we condemn it? And I say, yeah, for making such a statement. If you think of and then, I am telling you, I'm making time. If I say that, I'm for Emma Yabua for Ghostway caskets. Ghostway caskets. I see me, I call your number at the amount. So we be a few Munkuan, many other more than never Kumasi, as a full labor runabout. Oh, more than normal from Dakar airfare. One Casapa open by Yamau, and I could see it from a free Unisika administrative. When they said Obama Usika, I'm at a video which I'm on by the question of any now come on. Ambulance are doing for your knee amount. Who ye know, not a Usika, about to be our farm. We added the ghost we a year and they are wow bra on ye about on COVID-19. The green bill 0243 737 457 0243 737 457. I was a friend of not for no in Yamta, Yena 18 and 1. Repamo Makanosono, I'm already a Fakabanafi, Jensen, Channel, as Ebenezer Nyameche, a president, Patriotic Youth Movement of Ghana, and social commentator. Even Alava, you said, if you have a body, Ragam and Pabotino, did this also no chef for so. I don't, is here, ye the cry that I didn't know the new candidates. Sure. I thought before we are here, Radia, we are here. We are here. My channel, let's say, and Carlo, and no other community, I think, to 12. Once I know, your boy said, we have been at the spirit of patriotism. Yet, me now, you will be out from DG, I'm on my car, let's me a tomb pound now, I recover. Until maybe Munas will be here, the second as soon as baby player, I was so here. See a train, maybe you could see, and I said, let's try that will be at Camo. Some lady was will be our education now. I got one more mind gun at me to oil. Because social area, I bet you, I mean, and now you will be a easy so by voter register for now, you share election cases who are a day. What's if you got themselves, because I feel you a bad day at Afibia because we are enjoying 4 years, we also enjoy 4 years. Until that car, this time around, the whole wire and then the member, and I can't see a can. But look at Steve said, you see, the dynamics in the yard changing. But for Kwame Tria, Santa Regional Communication Team for NDC. Yeah, I'm a cover. Yeah, why are you? The Bian Wolf. I said, oh, Debbie, Nakupon, dear, why not for me? Not for me, and it's a buffet soup. Never so over home. The Akai, my Penina for say, obey up on me. But you need to say, or feel it put all. You say, be doing call. But and they are mental was up. Now, Yenda Master, we hope say there will be a very educative and interactive program. Right. But I say, Georgia J, a Santa Regional Communication Team for NPP. And Ababa, you know, Mike. What fit in your background? I'm a Ponado.
also Eshansha in Kakaka was a minimum Yakwamia, Yanante Yache. So, any or frost, I say, who's a son, I say, a crime, now the crime, a mumu pounds and in a bino. I just say, any money that I want to talk to young family. The family are a very nice person. And I mean, I'm not good for those other wife fans. So, say, I'm not person what we need. That is a mine. And then the good for the hour me, my brother. Yeah, sure. I'm a know how and how did we? Hey, you offer. Once I Casaponis on Atinonia radio, ni pattern can nip of so I say, a young way you're right there, and now must then just one. Jake Asantile. Ogusu pam say na no me ni kwaji bi asafo nko yanka on pam tade sa on the live your pam tade an bia na otwe your pam du nti me na kwaji bi last week was nti adun na aso
right ye share ko watwe na say and what follow the course of the Supreme Court the security presence at the Supreme Court na issue be na esi a na ehun sa de no wo hwe no ho amiru my encha Kumau TV phone I mean say nothing new to me say me who police force or Supreme Court say obinya da jehwe Tama MPP at the elections 2012 Echo Supreme Court now you realize that every blessed day the security services were on alert every blessed day or Supreme Court so Obekaya at a point in time, NDC supporters, Edinburgh, FOTC, NPP supporters, or Supreme Court, and year war and Fatu, and so the police wouldn't take chances. Say a BSC pen into a more for and science. And to seeing the police at a Supreme Court, may and M1. The issue at the Supreme Court, and the M1 Kakra. Say, Uti, when this is once my DB or Moka. Say, Omontia say my electoral commission and any voters register. I'm the Kodan Supreme Court, so Omontia say me and any voters register. Na say be your kana this omu use voters ID card dadano and the count. And now could do Supreme Court when Supreme Court for from lawyer be no need design say we need na mo dia ba no. Mama na yin right do. Enti muni ba ko. Na yen kan wan so the authenticity and authority says Supreme Court electoral commission won who find so ye voters register na ndo wey free na che so mo jitum say ne de ma me beti nyaye na emom dia challenge and say ma mene lawyer Kwame Adofo elgodi ko mra lawyer otimenka ma we bas ni so hello lawyer otimenka hello lawyer Kwame Adofo wadaro otimenka okay
say NDC the Omayeni is a waste of time. Oma West Ghana point na Yadaji because they know very much well so constitutionally the electoral commission have been mandated to compile and revise voters register and it's nothing new. El Koso and I first time we because Ghana has seen it. So we make the reason why they should be in court in the first place. Again, Omadi can't amaya to say this registration of them and now there's some of registration. Okay, I am Mudi on birthday, 28th birthday. Yura my penny that our best in Echo can't send you. Say it's what ban now back to one our fireman on one job back to you too.
I'm going to say lawyer Kwame Adofo tie ka e mo agbe university bi so.
Hello.
Hello lawyer Atemeka.
Metonka. Mamen chia no tie. And you are helpful. And course your court in any state. NDC for the company electoral Supreme Court. I want some of the coin. Almost you should never be in a free court. The guy almost say court and declares there. So electoral commission compile register. Only Kenya so they compile register the bill.
Okay.
That is no first one ɛyɛ 1983 ɔyɛ first one wɔn mu akɔnya sɛ ɔbɛsa yɛ register bio ɛna deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu ɔmo sɛ sɛ kɔɔto hwɛ no wie a kɔɔto saa nka sɛ the electoral commission bɛɛ yɛ register foforɔ a ɔnhyɛ electoral commission foɔ na ɔmo ne voter ID card for registration eti ihe ma na ɔmo kɔ akyɛ sɛ ɛnneɛma mmienu na ɔmo pɛ one court declare sɛ electoral commission wɔ ne tumi sɛ ɔbɛsan register bio because ebi wɔ hɔ dada ɛna two sɛ ɔbɛsan yɛ register foforɔ koraa na ɔmo a ɔmo abɛ register mu kura voter ID card dada ne bi no ɛsɛ ɔgye na saa nsɛm mmienu yi na supreme court bu sɛ ɔmo sɛ ɛni sɛ nsɛm mmienu yi ne nyinaa ntumi nyina mu sɛ ɔka sɛ yɛnhyɛ electoral commission sɛ obi ni akonnwa sɛ ɔbɛyɛ register ɛno kyerɛ sɛ yɛkɔ ɛde old register na akɔ akɔto ɛdi na ho nhia sɛ o second question sɛ yɛnyɛ old voter register no ne yɛnsan fa nyɛ register foforɔ because okura wɔnyɛ ahyɛ sɛ me yɛnka nkyerɛ ɔmo sɛ obi ne nkwan sɛ ɔbɛyɛ register foforɔ eti sɛ saa deɛ a na saa nsɛm mmienu ade abrɛ yɛ sɛ otu so baako ayɛda sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɛhyɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo nya akonnwa sɛ ɔbɛyɛ register bio anaasɛ wopɛ sɛ ɛhyɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔbɛyɛ register foforɔ a ɔmo nyi voter ID card ne nka ɛgya no na NDC for lawyers at the court ɔmo dwene ho nom so lo ɛne yɛbɛkɔ second one sɛ electoral commission bɛyɛ registration bi a court nhyɛ ɔmo na ɔmo use voter ID card as ID nti yɛn nso deɛ court no yɛka no tietie mu a na ɛno no.
na sɛ lɔya NDC yi baako afiri mu deɛ na in a way no ɔmo bɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo agye atum sɛ EC betumi akɔmpale a new register na emom old card no ɛna ɔmo bɛ ne mu sɛ ɛde bɛka ho.
ètò ìmúṣẹ wa ẹni fọ ajatum sẹ isi wọ akọnya sẹ ọfẹsẹ voter ID card ẹni tí wọn rẹdọ ẹ na ọmọ ankasa ọmọ kéètì múṣẹ mu a from beginning na sẹ free fifty asẹ no wo problem ó lọ àná mu wọn sẹ ó kọ náà kó kàkye supreme court sẹ electoral commission wọ akọnya baako pẹ sẹ wọ́n yẹ register na ọmọ pa akyẹ sẹ. One, apart from first register here no 1993 no, second register here no 2004, and the year no 2012, and I'm living.
Right, yàtúrẹ́ lọ́yà Kwame Adolfo ẹ say ẹ naba bíbí ẹbí ẹ náà ọbẹ sẹ ọdí sí máa yẹ no tó asọmọ mi adaruma ìjẹkẹ mu no I think sẹ lọ́yà kyerẹ mu kama yẹ si obi ẹ mu sẹ náà ẹ di si adi atum sẹ. At the Supreme Court, EC bet me I go ahead to compile a new register. But I won't pay ID card on the account. Old ID card, you have now, and your recommendation, and I say, Yaswa, the NIA and the passport.
So, my only, the only man is a NDC for our mentality, be say, a Montia say, Emma, new register and Emma, so that have always been their position. Obekaya, a year or more director in charge of elections. Edward Twabontin say of observe elections in Nigeria. No, who say Omujam a new voters register and there's no way NDC will win the elections. And even if you take them to spend about $10 million to stop the electoral commission, say Omo money new voters register and they will do it. And all these were the attention and intention of NDC. And say Yampa Kwanya ever pass electoral commission into new voters register. That is why I'm copy court one of the charges I don't get on the board electoral commission is said when you can or year for that dane over that dana and I own you so and find unfortunately and the time I got to the PM of Bono or my army almost 7 more kind so no this time around the Yajitum say electoral commission debate me are compiling new voters register name Jesus you moody on fire a year card dada
my lawyer go you lawyer Pache now one go accept so na line drop here to us woman
aha let me say, NDC case on the corner. First one, no problem in the sense.
You have 1 minute remaining.
The woman you know say NDC any stand in this particular elections now the NDC are aware say they cannot win election 2020, so they are preparing the minds of their supporters. So they be lose their supporters no ebenya baby dia kwhye say ha ne fa ya lose ye. Who say no omo ye omo 28th anniversary no. Omo chairman e can say there is no way omo party member bia no also then registration so it tells you that the NDC is not participating in the registration exercise ever so 30th June said the electoral commission can on that when your former president John Dramani Mahama say elections ni yekoye na say mu ana ho a menyinti the same function omo ye den na wo chairman say NDC for should not participate mo register bi mo form nkwaji mu bi ehona no so say yekoto aba na say wo hwe na say emu ana ho fan ya amawa na wo so registration unye bi na wo ye bi abeda participating in the elections and so we are telling Ghanaians say NDC come court ni nyina no it is a strategy to waste the time of the electoral commission. Imagine ni say yen twentwen ye ma so say be ya bedu time bi e be ka say be that time na koduru ni de electoral commission no entimi nye new voters register no when opportunity I say we will not and I say you can be as a new register but say NDC for pool so mumpo the new register no enye denya electoral commission e be ba so onim old register no onim say the two about 2016 MPP ABT NDC by over 1 million votes je wo muni say kaye po bi a wo advantage see you use old register na kaye MPP because here the etimi de bu NDC for over 1 million votes. I mean see the history of Ghana that with this particular difference they see here no etikie can or use a voters register na e be court ni benefiter in kaye MPP but we believe in one thing say the eye ukọ eye sunyan secondary school was say enya minti na mo member nti enya ye pe na mo Ghana who don't because ya can't come in where I said there is something wrong with the register. At the Supreme Court, time NPPD case in the court, the court admitted said there are a lot of challenges with that particular register. So right from onset, Ghanaians are aware said there are a lot of challenges. Obekaya, Tama Madam Charlotte say, and we have problem. Also, one of the directors was able to move 1,000 votes from one area to another area using the same register. It should tell you that there are a lot of holes in this particular register. And the MPP consistently we say no, this register no, yeah pay. But yet to abano, yeah winning with over 1 million votes. And think any added advantage. So I did people 1 million votes there. And the elections we are going to win. But yes, there be any person in Kunya. We live by principle. And yet, so let's try and amend the process. And on the electoral commission, as I said, at the point in time, John Dramani Mahama say, electoral commission is independent. Obia should not stampede the activities of the electoral commission. What has changed? Is it not the same electoral commission? And now the institution for electoral commission, so what are they calling for? And I don't think that they are on the throat of the electoral commission. Okay. We are telling our people, since the electoral commission be on the 30th, members within the MPP should go out in their numbers and then register.
Kwame. We had the course when any enra money 28th anniversary and some are more kind at a point no NDC member should be involved in the registration of Ghanaians come 30th. At a point former president Mahama said eto abana emu anya fanya NDC and TRC and nemo court also you strike out one of your appeals or whatever. Exactly what do you want?
Well, Eddie Kamamenda was na menda if you have from last, if you have one, sure. The green mobile over na yesenya kupose on top of na because na yesa sonchia ya phone na through ne party for omo ATM and then eseme see court no e pempi ni say asemo court and I'm saying, what to me and then see book movie green. She said, I was in DBI, Amy was it. Name as I say, a chicken, a camera, or mum for tea, and anything, and maybe I was so court. And it's the court now, and I said, yeah, right now, friend, no, we were seeking for 2 things. I think Article 45, and then this is the seal. The Article 45 of Ghana's Constitution. I am about to commission 2 minutes to year voters register. And I can say 2 million man and they said, "Put me a voter register." But no, yeah, or one can say review from time to time. That is what Article 45 says. And if we were only asking for the interpretation of the Article 45 said, Article 45 when they say about to commission no one can say or throw deal. No throw deal here or one can say blame obey review and obey sakayo. And it is a review now constitution ni can say because review the whole people you don't have obey new thing. You don't have obey to do omu di biashim. You don't have obey them. And at the same time na yes as what can say old ID card now. And no na yet to obey him and the Kufuor the to obey him na she be the for parliament this year. Mama penyi this 2 million appointee EC executive no one. See your control dia. But you can see that card me the back house and back between them the dia that say me to our Ghana here be new film. And you also Supreme Court for omo dem ran na say omo nyansa nyina. Omo kire mu say Ghana for. Say so e papa say betuma here film na say who be here say you film a eye ana say e be new film. Thursday na e court. Say ne go see say be film say be ya reformati be be film be ya ba be do na see. Ya call na court say about to commission enko no nkofa legal basis the court we legal issues kakra so we court ni ebusa on legal basis basically as je say fact emramu nyina so a ejina so ma wutimi take is jina ye na we see ye no ejina so ma take is decision no so basically they are asking for a law either a constitutional instrument or emra kasa your constitution an article in the constitution backing what you are doing because the electoral commission is not working in vacuum. The electoral commission independent found some independent in and the people who be a rather home. And you are there court to show when it's a monko no monko and merakura and what kind hard. A 3 more 2 minutes over to me old ID card in every as a video document I have ID card. I know your first day that you court to name me see. I want the response anybody response in the about to commission lawyer yeah deputy attorney general and describe the Supreme Court to say when you move fast to be so almost on cover legal basis man was premature to be kaya and court mo pacho attorney general pacho court say or describe Supreme Court for one say premature no or court to say waka sent ya and no e no ntini ne ba and the case na nkasa so a whole NDC for court no to NDC for say 1 more challenge article 45 2 most also challenge the validity of the old ID card. It is intertwined because intertwined the same thing what I said it's actually the idea back up na we can want to register so make your case clear. Is it the total register na our challenge is no me 2 year also betimi dey from and I say ujina old voter ID card na here film as a video document so we had only today to make that decision and they are na say yeah lawyer for na work out na ejina munomu yi take decision so at the point in time we decided say we will go for the old voter ID card as a video document. The reason behind this may say that Article 45 is in vacuum as at now. I'm sure say 23rd the Supreme Court will make it clear say Article 45 na say about to commission wo hu kwan say oye register na osafo otumi say osaye nsakraye wo mu nsakraye na say oye total register for and after time in time out we do better home but we go back to our history since I fought the public in 1992 aye first offense register and the 1996 aye for and then never talk about 2004 there was a new one and the answer is na and the question NDC interpretation aye for Article 45 will make it clear say all those decisions the EC take back then how they entirely new register was it in line with the law or not. And then the lawyer Neka said NDC didn't have the case and I say our case was mild because previously the answer but say now no I didn't nya say net your rectifier in law say as I didn't see say your rectifier you find say it was not even in existence
and I'm sure the lawyer you called knows. Say case issue be oho. And then bra. Say China obi timi court to seek interpretation. Na court to declare say that the na papa the funeral ko nyamra be man. Yen kai recognize it say yes. And so yes, the NBC was seeking for interpretation of Article 45. Supreme Court to me no boy said Article 45 no assembly just say is into me new voter register. The old ones now because that time them running will not be recognized. That would answer what the lawyer said. And they see now court to know. Yet we have lost it from our position. But court in say yes straight near
Okay, listen to this. The NDC suit at the Supreme Court is based on two premises. One, the attempt by the EC to compile a new register was unconstitutional. That is one.
That is the interpretation of Article 45.
Two, the decision of the EC to exclude an existing voter ID as a form of identification for the exercise was also unconstitutional.
Yes, because
they the same.
Because it has been unsaid. The same argument before they said is now a new registers over the time being. Why a new registers are the same argument now to go with the old voter ID card. Say anytime the actually the ID card that is a bigger document.
Yeah. But now
but today they hear from. So I say, and so those who are questioning say why is the NDC challenging? Say is in Article 45, you know, we are looking for interpretation, you know. At the same time, to also ask themselves, say, why is all this one? The old voter ID card, no, I had there, you go there, that's true. I and then there is this way here.
So now, no, my gap to say, I was at EC to me a new register.
No, the case is still in court.
If you strike out that,
there's a difference between a limited registration and an entirely new register. Mamiche Chemuncho.
No, don't, what time is it? The attempt by the EC to compile a new register was unconstitutional, and that is the suit about the court. You strike out that suit.
That is the interpretation of the Article 45.
Okay.
The court initially said.
So now, are you seeking the court to declare that new registration here? Is unconstitutional?
As at now, per what the court is reporting, that is not part of the case.
Good. Right. For now. General Mokaye, 28th anniversary. Okay. Emma ended from homeownership. At a certain point in time, she said, who said, you know, my afana, if you move here, yet, yes, that's what I said.
Your party chairman, like I said, this is from I say, until everything is settled. I said, no, that's what court, they do once. So, court to worry, not court to say, old voter ID. I don't want to presume on my judgment, but I am just forecasting. Say, court to say old voter ID card near bank on your control. Why won't I enter into it? But I only say is that as at now, because the decision has not been made by the court, our position is still that a new compilation of a new register is illegal and therefore we don't support it.
But now, and when we said in court, when we said that the Supreme Court will rule before 30th.
So he was talking, said, Adana Ojina Okasano. Say, Enra na Okasano. The position of the NDC say, Enra na Yibumsi and Koto India will not go. But it's a court to the assembly, not cause the Pepe to be a Pepe. Nekasa was going to go to. Of course, you never go to any airport over there.
Then, a section from our president statement. Who is a good statement to be made at this time?
Look, and yes, I don't know how. You want to take it from, but some no can idea basically opposition leader be can do Ghana because say you call elections now we say about na ya kwakoto no say pepe ya ama na say nema mu na ha omo twa aba no so ni ntum say bibi a ya pepe pa will not accept it. They is different from say oka say bibi a ya pepe pa we will take the law in our hands. There are two things involved. Two separate things. Some because I will not accept it. President Kufuor did not accept the 2012 elections, but he went to court. Others say in 1992 elections, their people did not accept it. They wrote the stolen verdict, and so someone didn't do money there. Fine, but someone didn't do what will you do? And that President Mahama did not say it. But one can say, someone said, "Adiana ayekoso no sibibia oman chance to name na se name ni na koso." And of course, the NDC will never accept the result from an untenable register. Yeah, accepting results from a useless register. From a register that is suppressed. We will never accept any result from that register.
Right. Let me Sinupi on Kumewu TV. Georgia J, NPP, Kwabena Bafo Atria, MD, Kwame Bafo Tria.
Oh,
and then if it is a social commentator, we should think of our channel or whatever numbers in the screen and American camera, WhatsApp, in kind of one on Facebook and so forth. Like kind of right. My main call, Yamiche, this issue of new voter register and then matter arising from courts. If you see the idiom community.
Sir, I'm late. My mentioned a team for Nana, Sir, issue you on. May what's your cousin be said? Do the right thing at the right time. Sometimes so much I don't know a right thing, but the time nowadays, about the other papa, about the wrong. What's the voters register? Me personally, since day one, my supporters say by now can change it that. But the timing I woman, and that program there. Well, see, it's good step saying this is taking issue in the court because we believe, and that's what my game and Mlaya see a Supreme Court and was decided the ma set to me before and I said Mlano the SCA. Until they see Piacas, me see Piacas said, or may I write somebody court and court to so in the more I did Kaya Banda said, and this may you baby or Mutina. Let me make a do baby not or ya confused with Kakra because NDC.
Right.
NDC my young say on Monday normally you know quite one say yes, I will 2 weeks say or you register for Frana. 2 some voters ID card na you use see ano e allow say me ko register me one me dey be ka ho akoya na to say the akoya Ghana card na was say what they say either passport or birth certificate e dey there ekono and second issue ni say see you new voter register na dia yemfa the kuta yesisi na yesi aye voter yemfa yin fun and now say yemfa nka ho. That was the second issue. And then the Supreme Court abayati asese NDC ni asem mu baako. It is say me there me nya lawyer mu. But me ti ase adance na hunum kire me say the di kan NDC de kwa no wa twa asan. O say yisi wo tumi say when ye new voters register no agade wa twa asan. It is say the aka ye hwe nim say 23rd Supreme Court today and we hear that Blair Ghana for na me at me say yeah, koye ni one yemfa ID card no enye dey enta ho ana and na wasi a twema emla ne ba now look say emla na be cause wasi a catch na ho say emla ye wom no enye mra e wasi ye keka nsem bi ade or how ebebra o man na wom e wasi ye nsem ne na mu bi a ye tu no e dey asumdie obo ade ade dum ye no eye kese e wo omem since 1992 ulu kubaka ya new voters register but I think that this time around tension of them all because we believe we say I was see maintaining no we also believe we say I was see a change no I want not make them be around one of the problem and never make one platform so but no we team as say this time around at the peace council you hear me.
They seem to be quiet.
Yes! You know, when you do that, it seems the peace now you're enjoying the nation anyhow.
But on my card, they say, Obama the council, who is
that's not it. It's not.
Those also against the EC decision, who say they are turning in one direction. So
sir, and come on, you did it then. I said you have been doing about it. I can say, what do you let about it over this our home? It doesn't make sense. We are not that's all there. It's one today we serve the devil including school fees. I'm afraid of this about to that they call Edmana about to be a treasure I won't hear my friend including school fees way. It doesn't make sense. And it's such common and not mere statement too. What for the leadership of NPP, the leadership of NDC and other political parties like UFP, UDP no more Mokikamu. What from them? No more see Dinapo. And some of the statements not but now we can still say peace council and who we are.
And you think these parties are ready to accept what peace council will say?
There's no harm in trying. Sir, there's no harm in trying. asɛm bia no wa wiase ne yɛde se kan de twa mu asɛm bia na kɔ bɛbɛ even supreme court kɔ ɔmo de kɔ yi ɛnyɛ ame ya na yɛde ka even though they are backed by law but ame ya na bɛka nti me na me hu say peace council is failing gradually but as so many more ɔmo so who is to tell them me no me no ayɛ akonya te hɛ ɛna wɔ se esi pi ɛma ɔmo te sɛ they are failing gradually me this rule by law ɛhyɛ new voters register me hu say peace council is failing Ghanaians nke why now nke was about for those two parties no waka asem wɔ dem ɛyɛ den ya me won say if I happen to be the president of the land nke me issue statement say if though we need a voter register but not this year.
Oh, okay.
It's either last year or 2017 or either 2017 2018 2019 or 2021 to 2023 not election year like this under this COVID-19.
But we are president as well. Who woman you go no support the compilation?
That is when you are not president for MPP but you are president for Ghana. And now they are president for MPP. Party but now he's not a party president.
But what is wrong with the...
No, I do say.
I'm coming. What is wrong with the EC compiling the register now? Almost a meeting here. Social distancing. They will observe all the protocols. So
let's look at the timing. Now you share your nature. Share a lot of COVID-19 here. In by now, all the political parties are moving from electoral area campaign to district level. Also, more stages. Of course, I have to do national. But now, by now, as I'm speaking with you, Juni, in KB, I can move from electoral area to maybe constituency. It is not your name to maybe I'm a so now I feel now in party name up for election. I feel like I would do race with the chinch and crowd to steal their tension and also attention. Well, it's a bit of a want to say. Yes.
And the president of the land is also not.
He should step on his tone now because I feel here no as a time COVID-19 buyer was solely as a man our demonstration to Yasuma Yenina with him now soon as a president of the land me after year 2 7 December near declare 7 January the new president back me could do China say Beneza when they say we are president for political party I give you a respect as the president of the land. Until as at now, there was someone rising up. No, you see, as a Ghana, you're not party need DNA. A child or man, hold on. I don't know if you're so the party should, the president should also do something in collaboration with the Peace Council. Now, you know, call Jim Krum. Me say, should be me say, I'm not against him new register. But the timing is wrong. So do the right thing at the right time, not the right thing at the wrong time. Say, what election will you see that? Can you understand the man perfectly? Yes. See the Kobe Lucy Wabu. Say, where is the same Lucy election? Now, we should win your new attitude. No course, and you could see any idea. Say, and easy. It is sometimes we know opposition or Kasa, but it is perfect because when we see election, you know, you know, one car say, me Lucy election now, Ghana baby too. And I say in Tokabesi, or see we will not accept it. 2012, MPP did the same thing. Now they accept election. That is the reason why it taking Ghana 8 months and send the Supreme Court decide who is the president of the land. And to me, anything wronger. I said people want to trace the whole statement, but the truth of the matter is that say time now you woman and some people if you be a munia, and you are not power dear children. Because I'm not more from the way we city as a fan. But me really say this time around, I was seeing a free and fair, the beer mudaho. Now, Enkoba said, you better say, we call election. Even this, then to a part as well by Monto on 20th. Then, because problem woman in here the Kwatuko candidate it might not be fair. That is the reason why ex-president is telling Ghanaians say look, I will not accept any results any papa. Until the end I was say your future say me say you better register in a such a way say results no better papa.
Right, president patriotic Youth Movement of Ghana, Pafmok, and I put in Farouk. Tema, I say NPP communicators kindly stay focused. Nana Domahine will not be on the ballot paper. This trap must fail in the name of God. Ex-President JDM kindly spare us our peace with these comments. I think I've edited your message very well, so not to offend anybody. Next time, teacher, could you tepa in your sister? I say, so now the NDC has agreed that the voters registration exercise can come on. They are now fighting to get the old card voter ID included as proved by citizenship right. Even that relief won't be granted to them. Regards to Honorable SK Nyamabadaso NP. Citizen Francis also comes with Mr. Mahama sends defeats. That's why he is preparing the minds of his party members to reject the outcome of the 2020 elections if they don't win. His children are living luxurious life, enjoying all the good things one can think of in Dubai and other European countries. And here is he inciting youth, Kwame and co, to do violence. Please think wise. Grace Ama also writes from Atebuku. Please tell the Electoral Commission to back down with the decision to compile a new register. We are not ready and willing to be involved in this. Okay. Rainbow Kaswa also writes. My question is, if the current voter's ID card is considered to register for a new one, as the NDC wishes, what of those, one, whose current ID cards are lost, two, who don't have passport, birth cert, and Ghana card? Then he writes again, how can such people also register for the new one? Won't they still require others to guarantee for them? Funny opposition party. I'm not sorry, right. The actual one is here. You're back. You're to us. Now, if you have other matters arising, NB primaries, in the Jabbing, could be a Santi Jabbia, on board Yano. Nana, that separate or two syllable, Atnapium, Ama, or Motonan. 12. We know if you are snap, Apatua, Eduna, 24. And I almost said, no, and your mom's empire and on me. Quite so, you say, almost and 17, I suspended almost elections. No, you also class party leaders have not been fair with some aspirants, ABA, commonly so called, as they call it, party fathers, and then the links are not our fee, like a master. If you are here, but I bet to us not fitting.
Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Yititi yototoma, tambone bosi adeba, obose bole, oso bale. Bale koko osimamitiane, kosokoto papon, midiani pike sa papa kumasi 1, enra krane uchene jo, enso yedidai. Keep on watching Kumawood TV. Yeni aye diem, yansu ye dienie, eye pawom cream, eye cake. Crow!
Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Hi, my name is Safina Harum. Keep watching Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV, yeah, there.
Kumawood TV aba, Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba, Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biashe.
Please, I am Mark Papa and from Rasilupi on Kumawood TV. Wale nkyɛn bra na inyamre ekekan empama nkyɛn bi amanatum ama so atumi afra radin nkyɛn atumi aba Sami Boachi Asama Kesi say wonders shall never end and they think we have short memories. Did I hear President John Mahama saying he will bring back nurses and teachers union allowance? Sabai, let's be careful. I'm on the other Abba and so I don't know. I said good evening. I like your show. Please tell the NPP you are not ready. You are not ready at all. We the people in the voter region will kick against NPP this time. Okay. If Walanyo Abo. Okay. If also the other no. Say this time round. Okay. So it means you've done good to the NPP some time ago. Okay. Well, teacher could do. Okay. Teacher, I've read the message already. Science to give you. Well, Masaudu from Bantima and so they are Masaudu right. Let us compile new register for the commencement of the new voter register. Okay. I entreat all Ghanaians to go to their various police stations and on that day to have your names registered. Regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah Wati Jakobu ECE. OPK Goso, the CI 126 has now given way for the EC to compile a new register. Or I will tell NPP members and the patriotic Ghanaians that they should go all out on 30th to register and vote for another okay, and also again, right? NPP Prime Minister, after rising, Jamie, dear, happy, almost say, you have never treated fairly, one of facts, I'm going to pose as fact issues. Oko, let me say, maybe and yes, we acquire, and you brought the contest, and if we will remove in some constituencies, means you cry.
Sir, I was say a kind of crutch there, check. You won't crowphobia of our Ghana, we are not willing, and as any ready to see some more parliament. Somebody like my MP Muntaka, somebody like I was saying Chairman Sabunsu Swami. Okay. Oh, Omunyu Medinu. But I don't percent political parties in Ghana. Sometimes they learn from each other. Shall look at how NDC did to protect Muntaka in Aswase. I'm telling you, sir, 2016. So NDC and Yangomaya, they lost that seat to MPP. Do you know why? Sometime now Aswase free. As one say copy as Coleman Pop bought by Pacoso. Now, they near see a practice saying, but they realize that Muntaka is a figure and that's a pillar in their party at Parliament House. And when you're ready, so Belusino. Until the needed resource are in the back, honorable Muntaka, and it's now year, Jumaye. I want to constituency, no. Omoye, Emma are now crying in Norman, you know, the good now, so a free Abuabu post office, Bob by and the Pacoso as Coleman Pop. To the extent even 2012, almost creating new district, Emma as Coleman Pobenya municipality. Oh, to Emma, the leader resource of the Bayadman. So in this case, you know, that candidate, you know, and the crop for which me I can say, and the person is who I never and the freeness. Meanwhile, that party is so benefiting one and so Parliament also. So if they think, say, a candidate be what, no matter what, any like now, no. One of your wives FTA no candidate, second vice chairman, second vice,
first deputy speaker of
parliament. What here? No, I know. Say he's helping the party, and that's what Guam and Roman cause for parliament house. So in that case, you know, not the constituency. That party need the resource cover. Now you are government power. Until you have all the resources, logistics, no wafa. How the calling person so no cover. No improve to other. Also, like what Swami. Mama part war other constituency to say be a man in our mumu ko wo me post almost musume fra ho emma obana nko on okay onya contest jamming amapoma onya contest okay thanks for your correction but almost a man bebre na e ko wo no post oh it is such a constituency na mumu so mumu modern bon mu hia no na mo the needed logistics no ko now you so
constituent ne so hu the important and that's benefit of musu gain from omp na we ni para kotra nkramem be 1 year no see no constituency na eba abacho na obi a ye be hu ne da ne ga ye be obeba be bo ayi ase obeba be bo ama ya akwan ya toto ye nya nsupa no ma ne ya de na eba musmumpre me in that case na don't support those things because mo ya say na it seems say mo ka mo de nipa ne be hye nkrofo bi so ewo constituency wo emwa inti look ya wo mama ye believe free and fair election inti mimi won say such you know omoma ne nya fair grounds no bia tra na ho de nkrofo ne gi to me say omope no no mo de ne ko na akoboa ama nkrofo ne nya so benefit na say ye hu say nipa we so oboa ye wo parliament house there then na mo be boa no on constituency wo no otima ye mpuntu mo si de be boa ma nkrofo ne so eto aba no akoy na ko ba say de bia me de nkrofo share so one oppose there and you aboard say be to akoso sa
right abusia paso buso unti na ohwe kuma o TV Sinopi eguso ending ko mamenko MVP ani
samai
mo prime si ya ko yeze ase mentum wase yeze dugo no ano emu so se me kasa me delegate e bi ananka obi ba me case ka bi se me fa nko after tomato aba minya minya kum but there are a lot of NPP delegates because you said they are not happy. Do you see
so Mike, I think this is one thing I cut across the various political divide. I think yeah, you woke master there. Yeah, witness a lot of areas to say as one say what happened under the NDC and other areas across the length and breadth of the country, which means a idea a war the Ghanaian politics means oh yeah then you get people some of the decisions now be taken, they will not be happy with it. Me can Quebec say with 275 constituencies. Now you may go through all the process. Now being all the 275 constituencies members need any edgy process. Then it should tell you that and no one you it tells because if you are to work automatically, you step on some toes. You will need to be one. You juma dina be dini na no many beje home. Now so no kwe woman say your party structures. Your kwanya yesi paso edi asem our party. Say party ye bibi na wani nje ho a. Your opportunity ema o say obetimi akọ na wakọ akọ present grievances na party no say wasem ne toss to one party ne dia yadwuma one say o fa be to say eye manso a e ma me grisado peso aso at a point in time no omo yi ni efrim but okọ on appeal no ye de ma me ne esan e be kan you will go also at the vetting level no vetting for no qualify no but at the national level no national for no resend decision ama one qualify and what it means is say so ka political party ho a o hye emra bi ase ye nuanu mo mukọ ye ana mukọ bo nue ya o ka se ebinom dwabion makotwa nwan akotu ensa no ye tie ne se o ba santime mu a openso obra sa ade no se ye modua e wo na santime mu a ye ti enti ohini bi eni wa ebe ne de be na ni ka se ne patam a wote no duabo ebe koso patam no esa no wa fa ni de ni bu ama openso asem na wo kan no
party before ma provoke some of
ni wo mu ni say most of them are take that decision no e take decision prematurely dey in America sir because party secretary can say this week Monday we and the list of mo qualify ni nyina no e ba beto abontene na so magunu no most of them are mo bodua ni sa ne mane nyina e ye ne last week o we ba bi ti say offense so a magunu no ko gina ko bodua say ye ma Ben Abdallah e ko on post no o ko offense so south wa Ben Abdallah nipa be 3 mienu e na challenge Ben Abdallah it tells you say e rumors and omote ya omni ti say abontene a omko yes a de bi
so na hu na ben for om introduce
I dey na hu na no makwada so ma Hilda ofrim no ma fa na nka ho I dey na hu na no ba bi bebre a ya fa say nipa na nka ho de make nyina ne say party bia no ye de emra e na ye party no enti no kro omni say uko politics wa you dey friend say lobby e wo ho it mean obi ha no wa step down say obi enko me ka say secretary ka say catch back we tu ani say ka okodu no mo lobby ni say onsi fom ka say wetin asi fom nko de ye di ni sika say man o say there be odo party ni ntini ya fa nya party adwuma this is the way we do say we grievances in the party one so obi akwa akobodua Emma said in Sukron the board and Eddie sa candidates need to have a party list so that's all contest me. That is not how we do it. If the American say when it happens like this, you will waste a solve problems within political parties.
Good evening. My name is X Tagon from Libya, Tripoli. Please, the new registration card, they should be very careful. If not, problem will come. Okay, Libya for a chairman. We say, I greet you, my comrade. You are talking well. Thank you, Cap. This is Evelyn Finn watching you live from Asante Mampong. I love NDC Keke. Okay, Evelyn, I don't know. We say, in fact, the three men have spoken well. I really like the way he introduced the topic. Mike Ofori. And so the Abba, I don't know. I say, tell the man why we will not vote. You will not vote next year. I believe they now can. I say, get proper next year, so we don't need register next year. We need it this year. So, Mike, please send my greetings to Mr. George Ej. Good work done. Nana Ado, all the way from Anointed King inside Libya. My greetings goes to Abda and Honorable Yao Afro MP for German South. Libya for no, Yanchampa, Mr. Ghana, Mumra, na Emo Libya. I mean, go be
Kasevia, said the new Derivian. Now, because yes, you ever said to near allowance. Oh, yes, I agree. Because yes, this year, and this is it. You ever said to near allowance? Ye allowance if you was a be any panel school never does, and the record is there. Ye allowance Nipani should do from 8,000 to 16,000. Every before Sabah, I must say introduce to quota system. As I'm Nipana come up to 8,000. And this say ever maintaining 8,000, there will be a bit much allowance. So yes, President Mama has said nursing and teachers will need allowance in this next government you will pay. Again, was I say teacher compulsory national service I never show more common. First, we be training college now okay or do and that some college now we are so national service no so bad obesa teacher promotional interview and comfort there here duma omo ya we teacher ni no nya promotion I say o interview mo e hu buku na this schedule o see e betwem na year fu teacher license exams no so that be say o mu ko ma o ko training college we as e po 2 ma o ko aban ni person o do be ko na ababe obetia o kanti was a control and exercise who we are saying 3,000 and 4,000 and you see the back count carry column to be training college no good license that. So these are the offers the NDC is giving to training college and nursing training students. Now on this specific issue, MPP as the political say Mike. And then the car who did this Mike? Who did this Mike? Who did this Mike? Who did the George Ej? What the connection? And it is Mike. MPP as a political party. Omu need to say nipa nyina ide. Article 3 of the MPP constitution, I'm just saying anyway. Omu define omu party membership not 3. Founders, party executive and members. Ordinary members, that is only a sound pass for. And the founders for no, only this party or Modia. Every party go for who say your party or Modia. And with you are where I get who about the same missing. So when people more say true time they take decision say you go be for parliament, for be able to see you near the idea. That the man have a fan more there who man would dey boss am. So I don't think
we are 0200603602. I don't know who's going to know. Oshana Ofra, Madam Volume of TV set no, and perform now in Tio our phone. And
to show why I disqualify or Mona, that never be any. Because I mean, Papa or Safama for you disqualify me. Self Papa and I could follow, to disqualify with that. Papa, I don't blue, I just could pick up in time. That's all for so I hope I ever disqualify because you don't belong to that club. And with the party, no, I will be a this man. You need Musa. Opa NDC article 3 of the NDC constitution talk about membership. You see, every member into me having President Mohammed na a pet. But then people don't tell me today, any penny be from to disqualification now. A day who man now will be a bigger biamo.
ọmọ ni eyi ọmọ nyina firi ọmọ dada ma na ene akọ enu ti a signal to you to ọmọ abase o pe party papa ọmọ makwan mo bia ko ma this is a congress awiomfo ni emu say bia ma me firi no papa firi a eh the NDC
all right ma bia ho no 0200603602 for kakra so sana mo ndi
say eja kuma de you can say dada man me nyan steady sa
politics
our politics no
mama example agona afija sechere hono agona papa nana nkansa bo aduba apani tabotire ana ni papa ko fa afọ file oh that am no school the honorable ni tabotire na papa fa afọ mo file ma no oni o efali bibia ma na da ye to aba na ba ni be gina o ye na na eba ni o enu anu no this time o ko on post who born you and oba e wo pa bi east kon bi out ye so on ko on post ya mo bia kon this back obe tu pe mu bi pa wa bi mu e de be ntia na papa ye ko ko tin e ti sa wo ye de ku ba ti tie na no obi aka bi ma de ni pa 1000 be contest o du ko ba bi ni pa 6 ni pa 7 contest ba bu be ye so mu do mu yo goli o mu na ye dada ma no mu ko obi nti sa wo hu do no example.
Oh,
so right.
Right. Wait me up. So right.
So right. Sir, politics mu there is true sir godfather issues no. Even NDC or MPP or even smaller parties now everybody ba no kra no omukro mu godfathers ni sad and nothing as who call politics mu now you should be very mindful and careful sir when who call in echi because nipa na who call in echi no in a way no obetime make you or make you because sometimes no some perform na recommend ma mpanifo na mo so wo soro o bi e dey what say we dey say na betie ever since I say who me ya kasa sa but me never decided say me call in the political party but I have had so many people from even the MPP and NDC always they are recommending me for certain group beer and can be say yes to them it is a one father issue there
my father can my friend hello good evening
good evening you are telling me the Edison if Kwabri is now born in this year, I'm out cooking by air con of course, and I'm super cooking a year, a unity.
Okay.
Department to us. Never so. The person to us may start free. That means a voter register my PCA, you know. A gen coin 1990 form per se or mobile printer. A gen what that would, you know, voter ID card no more.
Hello.
Hello, Mpacho. Me say, again, one what that voter ID card old one no more. The means you know, more person China, more person will be used to another new one. Yes, old one in it. And yet the other thing you have to own when new one. If we say, dear, old no. And almost say, almost I did and what about the revenue need on person China, almost for so ama. That would register a voter card near plan.
Okay. Yeah, and I say good evening.
Hello, good evening. Yes. It's your new producer. I catch you in the say back from the channel. You know, Patrick, the channel. Kaka American say, Owajem the money Mahamaso, but then a basso papa. Saka Sabisi is Wakasa. Microphone say yes, you are. Other mom was and what can I know one a deeper present to see ya? Mania, you make a say over the MPP, baby, I can't work for a full communica beja pomo. But you know, Muyeni, the local father, you mean everything. So, send a local.
Okay, sorry. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You are free.
Hello.
You are free. Okay, ain't you?
I'm from a country. That's Madame. Now, NDC will say, you don't tell
NDC members that 2020 is for NDC NDC all the way in 2020. Ofusu Hine Ampofu, Libya. Libya for NDC for Umbao. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
The free. I go contact.
Okay, into free Western region.
Yeah, I'm going to say. The part of it. More worthy. I declare them. What you say? The voters are declared. I don't know to have a young president, other presidents for man. Let's put them. Let's put out the career. Let's find the return. Look at the part with you. I'm not saying, yes, you know, into the area of the capital. And went to our bank on us, you know, today. I'm the Dabano, what the way I thought that we can get up. Now, what did I always now?
Yeah, that's it. Good evening.
Good evening, Director.
Good evening, you are free.
Yes, sir. You can say free command.
Okay, into your name.
You protest card media. Any move on. Yabaye. Omuni to mu yenti pese meye you protest ID card. Fa ko ye se tia na ku fo adu pa wa yen wa tari. Any affair ya Ella Budine. I'm your madam.
Okay, and I see. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, good evening. You are free. Means you.
Because if we went to even so.
Okay.
New voter ID card na make us from.
Okay.
Mfumso be ne wo ha omunti nkire ye mfumso kwa wo na nuane se enye mu ye foforo enye de na se kufuadu ye president ya ende na de na hinu na wudi ne enu so nje untu mu wadi yeso.
Okay.
Enye adenti ati di ne tina so se president na nde de enye bra indimu kina yen ko sala ne enye foforo nye sa tezika.
Okay. Right. Yeah, I see.
Okay.
Okay. Evansia, it means for Frephobia, yeah, sorry. Now, I did remember just 20 seconds. Me, or 5 hours. 20 seconds.
Minia, the political godfather, and a war political party man, and an inti, and a massa would over press once and this form an ampli. And it's in a minute, I'm going to pick from some Moji 2 way. It is a whole party.
Now to Valley, or man, no form.
I don't know how to say advertise.
No man who 4 years ever told me, I was at him before my tour. Form no medical.
Sir, ya korome sese yanyara ya assassini ya bondende maye nti adumi nu mienu so si enye bi ntua so kura na de beto ye no ya nhwe se mo hu ba nti mesret mamufo se ye nyina yenye ya famu de no man Ghana entum pon na nye kabe
enta ka me me kosi ma anu ya ko na o na re ne na o ma kosi
President Patriotic Youth Movement of Ghana. Social commentator of the kind of Sanso and Kwame Bafo Achia, a Ashanti communication team member of the NPC, and then Georgia J, Ashanti regional communication team member of the NPP, and so ever kind. Earlier on, Tamafi, and so by the name Eddie Michael, Nana Admako Sema, the producer, Bernard Ade Sanso, and Loretta, and Augustina MCR, production manager, who treat Nozo, the one. The cameraman and so Kobe Frank, the producer, Samuel Kwabena Dako, director one, and also Ella is a producer. And I was saying, I'm watching now, but here,
that you find a way to prepare.
I'm on Sunday, Yena Yedimu.
Yititi yototo ma tambone bo wasi adeba obose bole oso bale koko osemamitiane kosokoto papo Midiani PK sa papa Kumasi 1 enra kra ne wuchene jo enso ye dai. Keep on watching Kumawood TV. Yeni aye diem, yanso ye die nie eye pawom krim eye cake.
Kumawood TV amansane yena ye diemu. Kumawood TV aba.
Hi, my name is Safina Harum. Keep watching Kumawu TV. Kumawu TV, yeah, yeah, dear.
TV.